Introducing the 2010 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Mercedes-Benz prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, front and rear air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call